In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Automatic Carousel/Slider. We'll keep things simple and efficient so you can go from idea to a working, auto-rotating carousel in just a few minutes. Start by opening the Framer website in your browser. Framer hosts a wide range of ready-made components, and it's a great place to find polished, interactive carousels that already handle animation and autoplay under the hood. Once the site loads, look for the search bar and type the word carousel. This will pull up several options, from minimal image sliders to more feature-rich designs. Take a moment to explore thumbnails and descriptions so you can choose a template that matches your style, number of slides, and overall layout needs. When you've found the one you like, click Open to Figma. This sends the selected carousel template over to Figma so you can customize the visuals with your own content. After it opens in Figma, you'll see the carousel frames and layers ready to edit. The goal here is to swap the placeholder images with your own while keeping the structure and interactions provided by the template. Select an image layer in the carousel, then look to the right-hand sidebar for the fill section. Click the plus icon to add or enable a fill on that layer. Now click the image icon to switch the fill type from a solid color to an image. You'll be prompted to locate your file. Choose the image you want from your computer and upload it. Repeat the same process for each slide in the carousel. For best results, use high-quality images with consistent aspect ratios so the carousel feels seamless as it moves. If an image appears off-center, you can adjust its positioning within the fill so the subject is framed exactly how you want. As you work, keep an eye on file sizes. Compressed images help maintain smooth performance, especially when a carousel autoplays through several slides. Also, give your layers clear names so it's easy to revisit and update them later. Once you've finished uploading your photos, click Preview. This will let you experience the carousel as your viewers will, watching it advance automatically through the slides included in the template. Confirm that the timing feels natural, the images look crisp, and the transitions are smooth. If anything needs a quick tweak, jump back, adjust the fill or image crop, and preview again. And that's it. You've just designed an automatic carousel using a Framer template, customized in Figma, and previewed it to ensure everything looks great.